So, what is the stock market? This video is for all the beginners out there who want to learn more about what the stock market is all about and how to get started in investing. Really quickly, please take a moment to click on the subscribe button so you could get more of these videos. So the term stock market often refers to one of the major stock market indexes, such as the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the Standard & Poor's 500. When you purchase a public company's stock, you're purchasing a small piece of that company. Because it's hard to track every single company, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P indexes include a section of the stock market, and their performance is viewed as representative of the entire market. When you hear the term Dow Jones, all it is a collection of a bunch of companies that Dow Jones has decided to include. Basically, it is a price-weighted measurement stock market index of 30 prominent companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. The S&P 500 is a collection of 500 companies that fall under some predefined definition of what Standard & Poor's has decided to keep in their list of 500 companies. Although the Dow Jones Industrial Average is one of the oldest and the most commonly followed equity indices, many professionals consider the Dow to be an inadequate representation of the overall United States stock market compared to broader market indices such as the S&P 500 Index or Russell 3000. The Dow Jones Industrial Average includes only 30 large companies due to the lower number of American stocks during the index's creation in the late 1800s. And due to the era's data limitations, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is weighted by stock price, unlike later stock indices, which use company value. First calculated on May 26, 1896, the index is the second oldest among the United States market indices after the Dow Jones Transportation Average. It was created by Charles Dow, the editor of the Wall Street Journal and the co-founder of Dow Jones & Company, and named after him and his business associate, statistician Edward Jones. The word industrial in the name of the index initially emphasized the heavy industry sector, but over time stocks from many other types of companies have been added to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The index is maintained by S&P Dow Jones Indices, an entity majority owned by S&P Global. Its components are selected by a committee. The 10 components with the largest dividend yields are commonly referred to as the dogs of the Dow. As with all stock prices, the prices of the constituent stocks and consequently the value of the index itself are affected by the performance of the respective companies as well as macroeconomic factors. You'll usually buy stocks online through the stock market, which anyone can access with a brokerage account, robo-advisor, or employee retirement plan. You do not have to officially become an investor to invest in the stock market. For the most part, it's open to anyone. You can go to Ameritrade, Robinhood, E-Trade, Fidelity, or any other brokerages out there. Simply sign up online or from your mobile app. The process is pretty straightforward and easy. Answer some questions they ask and complete your sign-up process. The stock market is regulated by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, and the SEC mission is to protect investors, maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and facilitate capital formation. In June 2021, the SEC launched a public service campaign to encourage new investors, particularly those in historically underserved communities, to use the stock market to build long-term wealth. You might see a news headline that says the stock market has moved lower or that the stock market closed up or down for the day. Most often, this means stock market indexes have moved up or down, meaning the stocks within the index have either gained or lost value as a whole. Investors who buy and sell stocks hope to turn a profit through this movement in stock prices. So, this concludes this video. We hope this presentation answers what the stock market is all about. Remember to post a comment below and subscribe.